course, how do you analyze today's game, especially that second innings?
Yesterday's match, we just went through yesterday's match. The team which they batted first, they were struggling, right? And we were think like, won the toss and bowl first and keep them like under 120 would be chaseable. But unfortunately, we didn't read the wicket properly because yesterday something happened. Today, the different thing happened. But as a team, we didn't play well. And as a batting point of us, our batters, they have to raise their hands and bat. Even though when you get to this kind of situation, no excuses at all. So we have to take that responsibility. We didn't do that well.
The way the Lumini were batting, they looked at one stage 150 was possible, but you brought them to 135. Don't you think that was still changeable with the way they were struggling, the batters were struggling?
Yeah, first 10 overs they batted well. They dominated and they just lost only one wicket. And afterwards we came back strongly and our bowlers they bowled really well. And 134, it's still gettable. But the main once you lose 3 wickets in power play, but it's very hard. So that was happened. Even though in the last match same thing happened with us, and this match also it's happened. But it's hard to recover once you lose 3 wickets in power plays. But it's still I think it's gettable. But unfortunately we didn't bat well.
If you look at the names in the batting lineup, it's old beater, but 2 matches in a row you couldn't cross 100. How do you see that if you reflect back?
Yeah, because when you get in these kind of batters, if we are still can't cross 100, means there is something wrong with it. I know when we are playing international cricket, we are getting better wickets than this, but still, whatever situation facing, whatever conditions we are getting, but still you have to adapt to that, and you have to play. But we can't expect that 2 wickets here because most of the matches we played here, one ground, because it's a wonderful job done by the curators as well, because we have to appreciate that. But the meantime, when the wicket is not good, but still we have to bat well. And the senior guys, like we got very good big names, but still we didn't manage to bat. And so we have to take that responsibility. Because of the batting only, we just lost this game.
Thank you.